In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make crew logo in Blox Fruits in Roblox. But before that, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. Please go to the Roblox website and you go to the top of your screen and you press create. Press the dashboard in the top left, go to the far right and open the development items tab. Go into the decals tab. Here you can upload your own decal. Press upload and choose from your photos whatever you want to add. You can rename it and you can change the description. After you're done, just press upload. Now to create a decal using already pre-made decals in Roblox, just go into the marketplace and then go into the images tab. Search for the image that you want to use. After that, press get decal. And after you add everything, go back to the Roblox page, go to your inventory, go to your decals, and select the decals you got. Take the link from the top, open up Roblox, and paste it on logo link when creating a crew. Then press create. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!